Hey there, welcome to our Healthy Living channel. Today we're going to talk about 10 simple habits that can help you lead a healthier life. Drink plenty of water. It's important to stay hydrated, especially if you're active and live in a hot climate. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water per day. Eat a variety of fruits and vegetables. These foods are packed with nutrients that are essential for good health. Aim for at least 5 servings per day. Exercise regularly. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per day. This can be as simple as a brisk walk or a bike ride. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night to help your body and mind rest and recover. Practice stress management techniques. Chronic stress can have negative effects on your body and your health, so it's important to find ways to manage it. This could be through activities like meditation, yoga, or even just taking a few deep breaths. Limit your intake of processed and sugary foods. These types of foods are often high in empty calories and can contribute to weight gain and other health issues. Practice good hygiene. This includes washing your hands regularly, brushing your teeth, and taking showers. Stay up to date on vaccinations. Vaccinations can help you protect you and others from serious diseases. Limit your alcohol intake. While a glass of wine or a beer can be enjoyed in moderation, excessive alcohol consumption can have negative effects on your health. Seek medical attention when needed. Don't ignore symptoms or put off going to the doctor. It's important to address any health concerns as soon as possible. By incorporating these simple habits into your daily routine, you can make a big impact on your overall health and well-being. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments down below.